Alright, so today I am going to use one of these things I've had for a while. This is a Baja Designs light. I'll put a link in the description where you can get it. But I'm going to hook it up about right here. I'm just going to Velcro it to make it nice and easy. Just bed lighting. So I want to do some bed lighting. Some people will do the full lighting here. But this light right here is pretty bright. So I was just thinking, in case I close it or I just need a little bit of light in the back for tailgating or something like that. And I got this one because it has a little button switch. So even though, if you didn't know, the flex bed has harnesses back here, I still wanted to have a switch so I could just control it on and off. I know it's triggered by the ignition as well. I need this, and then I need some crimps. And if I'm using crimps, I need wire strippers and my crimper. I just have a wire cutter here just in case. And some wire ties, the Velcro to hold it. You can use double tape, you can screw it down, whatever works for you. Also, every Maverick comes with this little wiring harness. Only one, even though there's two in the back of the bed, but you get one. And what's cool is you don't have to start stripping things, you can just plug and play. And that's what this is. You push this out. You can see that there's a connector that's attached to it. This is held by pushing this out. It's hard to do it in one hand. There you go. Thank you. My son Jeremiah wants to help, sort of. So that goes here. So this is just a cover. I'm actually going to run a wire right here because there's holes right here. So let's just do that really quick. So there's that. I definitely need to use a wire tie because there's a lot of wire here. So there is the connector. It just goes, snaps in. Weatherproof. See, there's a lot to need to work with. Put them together pretty easy. So like I said, I'm actually going to run this through this hole here because I'm going to make it a little cleaner looking. So I'm going to go ahead and put some Velcro, thinking this way so it's a little bit more inward. So let me go ahead and get my Velcro ready this way. Don't want to put too much of a bend. Okay. It's nice and secure. That's not going anywhere. Alright, so you gotta have the ignition to trigger the light in the back. So let's see. There we go. So obviously it's brighter here. I mean, you could put another light right there and you have two lights. But you know, that's a pretty good amount of light. Pick it up. See how much light that is. Alrighty, so if you're interested in this light, I'll put the link in the description where you get everything. You can use any light you like, but I just wanted to show you how to install the flex thing. You do need to have ignition in order to get this light working. And what I like about this one, it has a switch, so I can control it on and off. It doesn't have to be on with ignition or wait for a timeout. That's why I like it, so I could have more control. Thanks again. Peace out.